Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a classic comfort dish, beef stroganoff. It's creamy, delicious, and perfect for a quick homemade meal. Let's get started. First, we slice the onion thinly and sauté them in a little oil until golden and soft. This is the base for all the flavor in our beef stroganoff. Once the onions are ready, we set them aside. Now in the same pan, we add a little more oil and sauté the meat until it's nicely browned. After browning the meat, we add back the caramelized onion and give everything a nice stir together. After mixing well with the onions, we add a little water and let the meat cook slowly until it becomes tender. Next, we slice the mushrooms and sauté them in a little oil until soft and golden. Now we peel the potatoes and cut them into very thin matchsticks. Then we blanch them in a little salted water to remove excess starch and get them ready for frying. Now we saute the mushrooms until they're soft and golden, adding lots of flavor to our beef stroganoff. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Now we drain the potatoes, pat them dry with a cloth, and dry them in plenty of oil. We add a little salt to make them perfectly crispy and golden. Now that our beef stroganoff meat is cooked, it's best to set it aside while we prepare the creamy sauce. In a pan, we add some butter, then sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of flour. Stir and cook it well to make a smooth roux for our sauce. Once the raw taste of the flour is gone, gradually add the milk, stirring continuously until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Once our sauce is smooth, we add the cream to make it rich and extra creamy. Finally, we season the sauce with salt and black pepper to taste. Now we add the sautéed mushrooms to the sauce and cook for just a minute or two before turning off the heat so they stay tender. Now it's time to serve. First, place the cooked beef in a dish, then pour the creamy sauce with mushrooms over it. Finally, garnish with the crispy potato sticks and sprinkle a little parsley on top for a beautiful finish. With love from my kitchen to yours. Now it's tasting time. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.